Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Wish app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Wish app, the Wish app is known for its incredibly cheap price and massive varieties of product, from gadget and version to home goods and accessories. It's great for bargain hunters who enjoy browsing endless deals and flashy sales, and the app's simple design makes shopping quick and addictive. However, the low price comes with trade-off: long shopping times, inconsistent product quality, and weak customer support. Item book look better offline than in person, and return can be hassle. So in conclusion, which is worth using if you love hunting for cheap find and don't mind wanting, but it's not ideal for anyone seeking a reliability or premium quality. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.